Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. I'm going to be doing a install here of these fans, but I have to do a voiceover because the camera didn't record anything. So I'm going to be doing the installing over here on the stovepipe, and it basically you'll have to watch to see what happens over here when I get over here to it. I put one of the thermometers over here on it that came with it, and it says it's about 110 degrees right now, even though it feels a bit hotter. Yeah, it feels a bit hotter than that. So I'm going to go ahead and do a little high speed here, and I will do some interjections over this as we go high speed. First, I tighten up the band clamp a little bit. It's a worm drive band clamp, like a hose clamp. But these are really crappy ones. I thought they looked good until I tried to do one of them, and the mechanism is not cleaned up right. It's just really hard to do. Now, when I go to put the second one on, it's hard starting it a little bit because the pipe is rather warm. Once I get it started, I get it set up. I'm going to get it tightened up as much as I can. But the problem is, you can see it kind of slipping there a little bit. And I got to lift it back up on top of the joint between the two pieces of pipe. Once I get it all tightened up, I will do some final adjustments there for final tightening so the fans are blowing in the proper direction. And then we will be ready to put it through its paces. All right, there you have it. The install is done. They'll match with the other ones, and they'll blow the air around over into the family room, and then it'll go from the family room around into the kitchen, into the dining room, and back in here to the living room. And just keep a nice circuit going around of circulating the air from one spot to another. So those should work real good, and we will talk about it later. So before I take off, I'll put a video up here you'll be interested in. I'll put a playlist down here on all the problems I had with the wood burning stove here and all the solutions to it. I'll put another video over here you'll like, and I'll put the link to my other channel, Gray Man Prepping, right up here. Take care, and I'll see you around.